Okay, taking the transmission out, so I decided to get under here and remove the U-joint connection there, and it's out. But now I cannot get this silly thing to come out of the transmission. I pulled on it, it should slide right out, so I gotta go get a hammer. Look what I found. Had to pump up the front of the transmission because it was at an angle that was causing it to, the drive shaft to be up against the body of the car, so all good. Okay, here's the end of the transmission removal process. Since I've got the drive shaft out, popped that out, pulled it out on the side here, so it needs a lot of cleaning, and I'm going to give it to a shop to get her done, and hopefully take care of all the flipping leaks. Okay, I tried to hand it off to your local Nationwide transmission shop, and they said they can't take it because they are not guaranteed that it's working before they got it, so they'd rather have it in the vehicle. So I sprayed it down, power washed as good as I could, scrubbed it, and figure I'll do some of the seals. I'm going to do that one. Okay, in an effort to seal up every orifice in this transmission, I'll start on this being the shifter seal, and I've got the parts right here, ordered online, watched all the videos. It looks pretty simple. I'll let you know if it isn't. But the parts did not work because they would not fit over the stem down there, so that was a lost cause. So I just did a screw, and you screw into the existing seal and popped it right out, so that was good. More to come.